teaching Kung Fu at Shaolin Temple. So stay with us because we're going to see some mass Kung Fu soon. So I can see your comments live in real time, so just let me know what you're thinking here. It's amazing to see the different Kung Fu's all against the Songshan Mountain. Hello from Bhutan. Papa, good to see you. So you can see this is a very famous Shaolin school here, teaching Kung Fu to all of these kids. Police guarding it. So we're going to get as close as we can to see the mass Kung Fu. Let's go over here. So we can see the guys in military uniform. 你好，可以去看看吗？
稍等一会儿，稍等一会儿。
不错啊。
See, they're doing this now.
你的声音你往远开。
See my colleague down there.
这个
Actually,
上来
she's
个
getting some
不
really
是已
good
经小的
videos.
为你的放开看啊。向左向右向后。
So behind us is the Songshan Mountain.
漂亮啊。
So in just a few minutes, they're going to begin.
不要来带来走，加油！
Getting into position.
不错啊，得到领导的表扬，不错啊。最后一要看齐怎么样啊？对了，教练员看就各位，后
Wow.
场准备。
So while we wait for them to start,
向右看，起。 谁带来谁带来？谁不管？好，前两名刚才说了啊，用丹田之气，喊的声音得拉长一点。1、2、1，1、2、1，要喊出来，好不好？对，有一个回音，一个回荡的回音。
Bala Krishna says, I love India and China. I'm so glad.
学生原地，别讲，教练员找齐，教练员，
So
教练
everyone
员找
does the
齐，
same thing on command.
教练
So
员
that one guy.
向后
There
滚
we，go.
往那边教练。
Very precise. Muhammad
Okay,
asked,
Haji.
what's your
Sorry.
country's name? I'm from the U.S., Muhammad.
对对对。
But I've been here in China for more than 8 years. I
我
like
看那
living
有
in
人吗？看那
China
有教练吗？有教练。王银涛，
because I get to have amazing
那
experiences
这个
like
1、
this.
4后面这两个教练。哦，他2个吧，对。好，就这。对了啊，起。再来一次啊！你要喊出声音要大。
So give it about
1、2、1，1、2、1。看看回音都出来了啊！ 好，跟。中间线举手，中间线一细，中间线一细的反击，好不错啊！给他们做个示范，发扬啊！要有气区，声音要大啊！东边的要超过他们，好不好？
So which side can be louder?
好不好？稍息，所有的这个学生教练听着啊，原地跑。 好，对了，我们观众听一下周围的啊，周围的观众大家啊，保龄圈等一下，过去5万7、18万0斤等一下，跟教练要求，我们这边来听听。这个西边的观众，先来一次啊，你气区要高，声音要大，好不好？
We'll get some action soon.
东边的都有，好不好？
Let's start pretty soon here. Just warming up. I think keeping warm. It's only about 16 degrees here where we are in central China. 向左，向右，向后，所有的让个路，让个路。 Joseph, we're going
包围
to
这个
see
是清的，把那人都清理走。那柳树下面，影响学生跑场。
We can see all of the security around.
好了，
We're hanging out.
走。
So all of these boys, everyone you see out there, all of these boys running right now, they're all under about 20 years old.
起到位，起速度要快啊！
So let's see if we can keep going until it starts. It's an amazing time here at the Shaolin Temple. If you want to see the video for this later, please check out China Plus News.
好，这个 来周围的进行射场啊！向左开，去！
Here they come.
声音要大，那个把你跑得快的话的教练，你给新找去第8排那个教练，那是哪位教练？孙建奇，你给他说一下。孙建奇，张帅帅，张帅帅。 那个赵帅帅，赵帅帅学生，你去给你那个跑场的那个排头那个班，张坤，你跟他们班说一下，你问他给人家早起不早起，后来他跑上来哪了？就那个班，就你旁边那个班。对他也不给人家早起了，跑上来哪了？要注意给人家前后，他自己要给人家一个班，整班早起。 好，对了，少林开始的。
Here they're getting up. I think it's going to start very soon. So hope to get it on camera.
好，好，向左向右向后，转，后场保姆走，后场了啊，要引到后场。
Michael, watching from Nairobi, Kenya. So glad you could join us. Kwaku asks, so since when did they start this celebration? Actually, they started it yesterday, was a rehearsal. Today is the opening
那
day.
个保卫人员辛苦一下，对，把那
And it
个
happens only once
人员清
every
理
2
走，
years.
要影响跑场。
So now they're getting into rows, and they're ready to start.
好，朋友们，大家活动一下，我们准备来一遍。
So maybe this might be a teaser. We might just post the video later on China Plus News, and you'll just have to see it
大家
then.
是要活动，
Give us a like, give us a
来一
thumbs
遍啊
up, give us a heart
我们
if
正
you want
式
to
演
see
出之
more.
前，这一边就这一边啊，也是比较亲的。
那个西边的演员，
Let's try and
西
get
边后
closer.
场演
Who
员
wants
对
to
象，
get closer? Ooh.
西边的后场演员对象，他是西边的教练，把那所有的家长，还有那些游客清理走，全部叫走。大家配合一下啊，配合一下，因为你们在这影响我们学生上下场，影响这个学生的化妆跟专注力了啊。
So
对，
everyone's
配合一
getting
下啊，
in
谢谢啊。
position. So let's get closer. Cyrus, good to see you from the Philippines. Let's get even closer to them. Wow, look at this. See if we can see more of this. So nice, right?
抓紧时间，抓紧时间，稍微的处理一下个人问题，抓紧时间。
Okay. So let's see if we can see the rehearsal soon. So we're asking, when are they going to start? And they keep saying, soon, soon. They will start soon.
好，上厕所，抓紧时间，解决一下个人问题，站住记啊！
You can see- So we're going to see some Chinese character. So we have my colleague Luisa here.
I'm doing video also.
Yes, so she is the brilliant videographer who will get our videos on China Plus News. This is live, everyone. So you're seeing really how we work and how we do things here at the radio station. Please give Luisa a heart if you want to see more good videos.
Thank you.
I know it's getting shakier. Sorry about that. So they're about to start, so we're going to see it, the practice. So do you think I can sit here?
I think you can sit here.
So we'll sit here and we'll get to see it up close and personal. Samuela, watching live from Fiji, we're so glad you're here. We have thousands of people doing Chinese Kung Fu. Where are they all running to? They're running off the stage, on the stage. They're getting busy to
抓紧
prepare.
时间啊，最后5分
We're
钟。
about to have a big show. One more rehearsal, so stay tuned for this big show. You won't want to miss it. Do they compete? Musonda asks. Musonda, you're right. They do compete. This whole competition, actually, these 3 days, they will have a competition. But right now, it's about collectively doing Kung Fu together to make shapes and make designs according to the music. So this is more like an art rather than actual fighting kung fu. I promise you will not be disappointed. Don't go away. Ice says, watching from Nigeria, so glad that you can watch here. I promise this is something you won't want to miss if you just stay tuned. Of course, because we're live, we can't control the time very well. But we are here at the Shaolin Temple. So the coach is there. You can see all these young boys, all under around 20 years old. We saw the youngest one. Shri says, nice information you shared. Thank you so much. So everyone's getting ready. You can see it's just like thousands of people here. Wow, look at this scene. I know it's a little bit shaky, but we're so glad you're with us.
好，报上人们，
Joseph from Minnesota, USA. We're so glad
老板，
that
抓
you're
紧时
here.
间检查人数。
Very
第一
early.
个检查人数，第二，这个穿短袖的活动员
Anywhere
不要
else,
站。
Joseph.
对，
So just stay tuned. See, the coach is right in front of me, telling the boys instructions of what to do. Arnold from Africa, Tanzania. I'm so glad to see you here. Look at all the kung fu, the exercise, the push-ups, these exercises. It looks really hard. I'm glad I don't have to participate. Maximus watching from Germany. So glad you're here. You will not see this anywhere else live, I promise. Sherry says this is about to be awesome. It is. 9:10 a.m. in Zambia.
好，可以了。
So we are watching, preparing for the big mass kung fu show that's going to happen very
Oh.
soon.
对了。少林拳，
Starting.
这个声音太短，不行，要拉长音。双风贯耳，要阵脚干脆一点啊。来个队形啊，踩点，少林拳。我一看你那胳膊上肌肉，你那拳还落空气拳了，再来一手。
The voice is giving them advice. Come on.
你看你那个手臂肌肉一撑，看你那肌肉块都撑起来了啊！哎，发长音啊！漂亮！
This is Chinese.
谁还在动啊？大心！动作你！
Staying
啊
very，
教练员
still.
推到后场两边位置，再来一次。那前面
Kanochi
补几
watching
个
from
镜头
Istanbul,
啊！
Turkey.
朋友们，我们
Istanbul,
补几个
Turkey. I'm
镜
so
头
glad to see you
朝
here.
阳后场准备。我们无人机要补几个镜头，包括这个前面这个记者呀，这几个中央电视台记者都站在上面，看到没有？这边补几个镜头啊！注意了啊！音乐。
Trend says 1.6 billion Bruce Lees. They're gonna want their money from America at one point. Pretty sure Americans are thinking about it.
集合的激情要高。先动们，进！我向中间转到中间啊，转到中间小那个，快点！咱们明年的看。那个最后小许那个匡扶正义那个要拿点音啊，小许认真学，进。认真学，刻苦练，物质慢，习会重，一进城发扬中黄树，为保卫阵，立志诚，信心任，百尺竿头进，报效左，黄不对。好，这个我东边这个拉长音啊，有点太长，东边兄弟再来一次啊，声音带洪亮一点，带大一点，好不好？好。口齿清晰。小句，认真学，进。认真学，刻苦练，物质慢，习会重，一进城发扬中黄树，为保卫阵。立志诚，信心任，百尺竿头进，报效左，黄不对。关键时刻到了，拿出最高的激情。好，可以了，
Hi, everyone.
向左下右。